Why isn't my lawyer communicating with me? This is probably the most frequent complaint that clients have about their lawyer. I know that I've taken so many calls from people who are so frustrated about the fact that their lawyers are not communicating with them. So I wanted to share this video today to share some thoughts as to why this may be happening. And in my later video, I'm going to share some thoughts as to what you can do to make your communications with your lawyer more healthy. So let's talk about what may be going on. Well, the first thing is there could just be a complete difference of opinion and expectations as to how much the lawyer is going to communicate with you and how much you're expecting to be contacted by your lawyer. Many times this isn't even discussed in the initial interview. So you may be thinking that your lawyer is going to communicate with you one way and with some frequency, and the lawyer has a completely different set of expectations. You guys are not on the same page at all. And this hasn't really been discussed. So that can be one issue. The second issue could be maybe you're expecting too much communication. Maybe you're being unrealistic. In a medical malpractice case, they can take months and years. And many times there's not a lot going on in the case. So if you want your lawyer to communicate with you on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, that may just be unrealistic. Another reason may be that the lawyer has promised you certain things that are going to be done by a deadline and hasn't met those deadlines. And maybe they're embarrassed and maybe they don't want to have to admit that to you, so they avoid your phone calls. Another thing is that lawyers often get very busy, and many of them don't even have a plan on how to have frequent communications with their clients. So these can be some of the reasons why you're frustrated and why you don't believe that your lawyer is communicating with you the way that you want. I'm going to be doing another video again on what you can do really at the outset to make sure that the communications meet your expectations and also meet your lawyer's expectations. I'm Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and DC. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please hit that like and subscribe button below. That way you can take advantage of all of my videos. Again, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.